What factors you should focus on to increase ROAS for your e-commerce store in 2022. Hello and welcome back to our channel eCommerce Know-How. Today we're going to focus on ROAS. ROAS, return on ad spend, measures the amount of revenue generated per dollar spent on advertising. A good ROAS depends upon factors like nature of the industry, profit margins, average pay per click, and many more. Companies usually target a 4-to-1 ratio for revenue cost. However, it has been seen that the average ratio of ROAS is 2-to-1. In today's topic, we'll discuss a few tactics that will help you improve your ROAS. To get the details, stay with us and do not forget to follow us to get all the updates in the future. The first and foremost thing to do is to consider to choose the keywords wisely. Keywords have to be specific to reach a maximum number of visitors. To get the best result out of it, one must optimize each website page, be it a landing page or product page. Now that we're talking about keywords, it's also important to focus on the bidding issue. To avoid high bidding costs, one can choose long-tail keywords. Long-tail keywords are not only beneficial, but they also have a few competitions. But when selecting keywords, one must remember that targeting the right keyword means targeting the right audience and thus generating a better return of investment. On the other hand, getting organic traffic is probably the best thing for your website. There are almost 200 factors that matter to get organic traffic, but the most important of them all is relevancy to get a higher SERP rank. The strategy for the right content, technical SEO, and right tags will lead you to more organic results. Apart from these, the website must be friendly for the users to keep people engaged. Nowadays, people use various devices and search for things online on their smartphones. This is why a page or website needs to be responsive for all possible devices. Improvements like personalized services according to location services, load time improvement, uncluttered pages for products, and many more strategies can be applied. While talking about services, providing personalized services may keep the audiences on your website and reduce the bounce rate. To begin with, one must first consider the 1-to-1 ad to page ratio. Next, provide the results according to their choice and wish list. Then create an appealing landing page. Finally, a personalized post-click experience increases the conversion. Every business indeed wants to earn more money from each visitor, but sometimes 80% of the revenue comes from 20% of VIP customers. This is why it's important to keep a different segment for the regular and high-paying customers. Include premium products for memberships for them, and they will let you identify them and upsell the products. Even offering them a referral or periodic thanking discounts will bring more referrals. Another strategy for attracting more customers is offering seasonal discounts or offers. In this strategy will increase the rate of conversion, but just remember that whenever you're offering any discount or seasonal offer, just remember to post them on your website to become visible to your valuable customers. In addition to this, using the navigation feature for each ad you post will reduce the cost of the ad and increase ROAS. And avoid negative keywords to improve the results because they might get clicks but do not often generate conversion. To add a boost in sales, email marketing can be used. Though many people understand the importance of email marketing, very few became eligible to apply that to increase sales. To get the desired outcome, it's very important to get the right information to the right person, and that too in time. With the perfect strategy of email marketing, prospective customers already abandoned their carts might come back to your website to complete the purchase. Again, to be interested in any particular product, it's important to get a better view of the product. Therefore, when posting any picture of a product, upload high quality or HD pictures so that the buyer gets a clear view of the product. Display the product from different angles and complex products. If possible, use a video to explain the product better. This being transparent about the product will also increase the chances of conversion. It's essential to describe every little detail of the products so that there's no doubt about its quality. It also affects the product ratings customer reviews in a positive way. Few websites use live chat software to create an impact in the mind of their clients. It's essential to stay connected with your customers continuously and provide them with the best possible customer care support for their issues in shopping. If you're running out with a live chat option, you may put the details of your customer care support on your page so that they can get it. And last but not least, in the world of competition, it's essential to stay aware of what your competitor is planning to promote their business and raise the conversion. To do that, you may sometimes even spy on them. There's so many tools available on the web which can quickly get you the results you want to see from your competitor's page. So take a page out of their book and apply it into yours if that brings you money. These are a few basic details to get more conversion, or let's say ROAS. To know more, stay tuned to us and follow regular videos.